Unit 3 study guide. Let's look at number 2. Allison earns $40,000 base salary plus a commission equal to 15% of her total sales. If she earned $70,000 last year, what were her total sales? Okay, so the base salary, that number does not change. So she makes $40,000 no matter what. Plus a commission equal to 15% of her total sales. So 15%, we need to change that to a decimal, so 0.15 of her total sales. Well, what were her total sales? We don't know, so we put an X, and she earned $70,000. So here's an equation. Now we just need to solve this equation to find her sales. So we need to get rid of this 40,000, so we're going to subtract 40,000 on both sides. These create a zero pair, bring everything down. So 0.15x equals 70,000 minus 40,000 is 30,000. Now to get x by itself, we need to divide by 0.15 on both sides. So we need 30,000 divided by 0.15, and x equals 200,000. So the answer to number 2 is 200,000. 2 is D. Let's look at number 3. What's the solution of that inequality? So we have 4x minus 3 is less than or equal to -5. Our balanced bar, now let's solve this inequality. We need to get rid of this 3, so we add 3 to both sides. These create a zero pair, bring everything down. 4x is less than or equal to -5 plus 3. There are more negatives than positives. The negative has the greater absolute value, so we have negative. And how many more negatives do we have? We have 2. So 4x is less than or equal to -2. To get x by itself here, we need to divide by 4. These cancel, and x is less than or equal to, well, -2/4, so we know it's going to be negative, and 2 divided by 4, 4 goes into 2. All of our answers are decimals, so 4 goes into 2. It does not, so you have to add a decimal and bring it up. 4 does go into 20 5 times, so 0.5. X is less than or equal to -0.5. X is less than or equal to -0.5. The answer to 3 is A.